Hello everyone. So if you want to enable vibration and haptic feedback on your iPhone 14 Pro Max in silent mode, this is especially useful if you want your phone to vibrate even when the ringtone is turned off. So first of all, on our home screen, locate your settings. Now in your settings, you are to scroll down to your sound and haptics tab. So choose this tab. Well, first of all, here, make sure to choose your haptics option, open it up, and here you are to use your play in silent mode. So make sure to use this option. Now you'll have your haptics in silent mode, just like this. Also, I recommend you going through each of those options, such as ringtone, for example, choose your haptics. Now make sure that no one is set to none, because otherwise you won't have your haptics. So go through each of these options and make sure that they're not set to none. Make sure to turn on your haptics right here in sound system and haptics, so that the switch glows with the blue color. I'm sorry, with the green color. After that, you are to go to your settings, open up your notifications, and here in your notifications you are to find your phone applications. So here you can set which applications can use haptics. So choose your sound, make sure that your haptics are set on default at least, and like this you have your notifications, right? After that, it goes the same with the messages, with the FaceTime or whatever. So open it up, make sure to press allow notifications. Once again, press sound, make sure that your haptics are enabled, and basically that's it. However, if your vibration still doesn't work, you can go back to your settings, find your accessibility tab. In your accessibility tab, find your touch. And here, scroll down to find your haptic touch, so make sure that it's not turned off, and also find your vibration. So, and make sure that this option is turned on, just like this. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.